In this video, I'm going to show you the whole project that we are going to go through in this course. So as you see, this is the first page. There will be a search. We'll come back to the search. There will be some videos with duration, with channel name, and some information like views, and also, you know, the timeline, and then you can log in or register. So if I go and register, for example, view user, and we can say view at test.com, maybe we can learn view the name of the channel, and the channel will be created while I'm registering a new user, and then I'll put the password, and then I will register, and immediately this is registered with the channel. If I go now here, I can see the name of the channel, and I can, for example, edit the channel if I am the owner. Of course, I'm not the owner, I'm not going to edit. So learn, I put the description, for example, lane vuejsː. Okay, and then I say update. It will update my channel, and then I can also select one file. Let's assume I can select from this one. I can say go to this folder, which I'm having some files, and put this logo, and I update. So if I go back to the channel name, now I have the channel logo and so on. So this is regarding the channel. Now let's assume if I click on all videos, there is no videos, but if I go and select one video, and let's assume I'm going to select this video, you know, it will go to this page for processing, but I need to run one command line for the queue. Okay, so it will listen for the job, and then if you notice, it will start processing the data and send me the progress. Immediately it will create, and you see without refreshing, everything is done kind of real time using Livewire. This is very interesting in Livewire. So the processing now and backend also is going on for, there are two jobs basically, one for creating thumbnail and one for converting the file using FFmpeg, which is we are going to go through this in this course. I have some information of the files. For example, here, for example, nice video. Let us watch it, for example, and you can put a description, and here you can set some updates or whatever on this, visibility. And then if I go now in my videos, I can see all the videos here. I can edit the video again, or even I can delete it, which is going to go and delete the files as well in the back end. Now if I go to, for example, all YouTube, for example, and I can search for some videos. Let's assume lion from other, channel. If I go back, and if you notice, it's written you are not subscribed to any channel. That's why there is, basically, if I'm subscribed to any channel, I can see all the videos related to this channel. So for example, let me just go and search again for lion, and then I can go to this video, and I can see this is video now 0. I can watch the video, and after 3 seconds, it should be registered as one view. If I refresh, it will not register as view, but if I play it again, then it will register as view. And then if you notice here, no subscriber for this channel, but I can go and subscribe. Now there are two views. I can like and dislike, I can like the video here. If you notice, I can subscribe the channel. So what happened if I subscribe now? If I go to the home page, I can see all the videos from this subscription. So one thing I would like also to see here, for example, I go there and can also comment on this video. You can say nice video, and just comment here, and it will be immediately showing me and can reply and so on. So if I'm logging in with this user owner for this, if I go and log out now, or maybe create one new incognito window and go back and just log in. Okay, now see, if I'm not logged in, immediately it will pull the videos from the database. All the videos, see, from 4 people or 3 people here, like 2 videos from this channel, 1 channel from this channel, and so on. So let me log in with this guy and see if I log in. Okay, if I go to now to my channel, I can see I have 1 subscriber, which is the one just subscribe if you before in this video. And if I go to all videos, I have 2 videos here. Again, I can delete and whatever, I can play with the settings. If I go to subscription, again, I'm not able to see anything, but if I say I want to search something for vuejsː, for example, and 1 second, if I go and select learn, or maybe the video, I did not put anything because it will search the video, but if I go to the database and refresh it here, if I go to all videos, the one this is a nice video, the one which is let's watch it. Okay, nice video. Let's search this one. I did not put the name as view, but if I go and search, okay, I can find this one, and then I can subscribe to it. If I go back, I can see the video which I'm subscribed to from this channel. And maybe one more feature, which is I want just to show you as well. If I just make this one a little bit smaller for this video, now it is already, I think, I'm mistaken, it has some comments, right? So if I go to this video, which is lion, let me go back and search for this lion. If I click on lion, and then I can see this, I can reply to this one, and I can say I agree with you, and then I comment, so I can see, you know, for example, replies are hidden. So if I click on view, and then I can see the replies here. Also, even for reply, you know, when I want to reply, I need to click on reply word, and it will show me, kind of similar to YouTube. So this is, I think, kind of most of the features of the course. So let's see you there in the course and learn. I hope it is very useful for you.